We're having dinner here in name ng hotel AJ. No? So you have no choice kasi lalabas ka pa, but this is eat all you can. Observe ko dito yung Okinawan na way of grilling. May special grills sila, stainless, ganun yung way nila. Unlike sa iba may mga blowers, ito wala, no? So, super hot. Yung masarap dito, itong itong mga oyster. They have yung loin, Okinawan loin. Grills. Different from what the Koreans and mainland Japanese are doing. Ito yung area, yung resto. So what's your food review sa ito yung kanila?
Nice.
So
Healthy.
far? Ha? Healthy, no? Yung ba na hotel? Yan. This one.
Hi! Eating oysters.
Ito nga yung gusto ko rin eh. The healthier version is the oyster eh. Mabilis maubos. This place is facing the Pacific, so most likely yung mga pollution fresh na fresh talaga, presumably, kasi yung place na to, this is part of yung Miyagi na island group. What's the name of the island, May? Anong name ng island nga to? What's the name of the island, May? Name of the island nga, this island, although Miyagi siya, but separate na kung ano.
IKEA?
Iyan. Hindi na kami nag-rice, no? But sa akin mukhang sulit talaga kasi para siyang 1.4, 1.5 per person, but unlimited siya, eat all you can. May limit lang sila, 90 minutes. You have to finish everything. Okay?